Only two, eh? Can you see now? Attaboy.
So how much? What model of that camera is that?
What model of camera? Why?
Can get you a lens?
Oh, I've got. Like I said, I got another one at home.
I know.
You didn't do it, by the way. It wasn't you. It was back over here because I heard a loud crack.
Yeah.
So,
So
when
it was Ernie.
I was behind Ernie.
Exactly.
Does anyone need? You want to wipe your helmet off? No. It's the case. This piece right here, the square, it actually comes off from the inside. I've got another case at home I can replace it with. So, yeah. The camera's about 5 years old, so I'm not sure if I'm able to get parts for it anymore or not. So, anyway, it's all good. All right. Just follow the trail of dust. Well, you're following us right to Snow Road and then tap out there? Okay. All right. Tractor. We're gonna go straight. Snake fence. You guys have your GPSs on? Does this show it coming out near Snow Road? Well, I don't know, now my screen's shut off, so I can't see anything. I'm pretty sure we stay on this, it comes out in Snow Road. There's a trail there. So. This looks like it might be it. Yeah, this is weird. Ah, tell him I broke your camera lens. He's just like a little kid, eh? He's like a 16-year-old boy. Do it. I know. I can Photoshop too. Did I take it yet? Did I take it? We'll see.
Canada front and back.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for bringing me this far.
Yeah, thanks for bringing us to here. You going that way to 509? Yeah, if you go right, and then right, it'll bring you to the 509.
Okay.
Trust me.
Or look at your GPS. I'll do that. See you, man.
See ya. We probably got to hook up again, eh?
I'm airing down some more.
Are you?
Yeah.
What are you at? Do you know?
No idea. If you have time, I can measure it.
If you want, go ahead. It's up to you. What kind of air pressure were you aiming for?
I got it at 18 now.
Okay.
Like I think there's a plastic sleeve over the threaded part, and it's just spinning.
Oh.
I think I have a set of pliers.
Oh, you can't get it back out?
No.
We have to pry it off or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this plastic off.
Look at that.
That was close. Close call.
Everything you touch, there's dust coming out of everything.
What are we doing this for again?
Yeah. Yeah. So I have us going past it and then coming back around, but it doesn't matter, whatever we want to do. Okay. This is the snowmobile trail in the winter too. Oh, truck. Yeah. I think the thing is people think they're alone back here. Did that just say logging ahead? I think it said logging ahead. There's your logging right there. So I have us going straight to Levant and then coming back around this way if we want, or we can go across Ranger Camp Road now if we want.
So this is Ranger Road here.
Yeah.
Because I know you've been Joe's
Yeah.
going to do it, but your point is that we'll either go like this,
Yeah.
back here,
Or we go like
do
this and then back down. Remember, so we're going to go right on 16, right on Umphersons, right on Home Lake, right on Ranger Camp. That truck scared me. The truck. Back there, the truck.
Yeah.
Scared me.
Oh.
I was like, oh, shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was in a blind corner.
Does your GPS have Highway 16 showing on it yet? Okay. Looks like we just go straight. Yeah. for Umfersons. Oh shit, gravel. Shit, now what was the next one? Something Cottage Lake Road or something like to that effect. Oh, tractor and a truck. Now the next one should be Ranger Camp on the right. Uh-oh. Yeah, it does. So we have to turn around. Shit. That sucks. That's alright. Alright, so we have to go back out to that Umfersons, make a right, and then we can do a right again on Ranger Camp. Geez, we got a hard left uphill here. How'd you get in there? Remember one time I was working on my old Nighthawk, and I think I was cleaning the air filter or doing something like that. I had the air filter off, and it was outside, nice hot sunny day. Put the air filter back in, go for a ride. I'm driving, all of a sudden the bike starts running like shit. Like, felt like a clogged jet. And what the hell's going on? So I get home, limp home, pull the carbs off the bike, 'cause I'm thinking the jet's dirty or whatever. And there was a bee, like a wasp or the yellow jacket, that was in one of the air ventricles in the car. So the only way he could have got in is he snuck in when I had the air filter off, and then he got sucked into the air ventricle. So I pulled that out, and the bike ran fine. Swim. See, we should have brought our own hot dogs and stuff. Could have had a open fire and cooked our food. Are campsites or something in the summer, to be honest with you. stop here for a break. Some water.